development across rural regions. Controller of Examinations in charge at Nehu, Dr. Sumar bin Umdor, has expressed concerns over the ongoing student agitation, suggesting that it would have been managed more tactfully to avoid disruption into the implementation of the national education policy. The absence of Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla has created an administrative vacuum with important files left unsigned, halting critical operations, including the release of examination results. He also expressed concern about the uncertainties in scheduling postgraduate and certain undergraduate exams, while Nehu-affiliated college exams have already begun, and the NEP-based vocational training course exams are scheduled to start on November 16.
So a lot of preparation has gone into implementing the VTEC course, and from the exam department we have been working for the last 2 months to get the guidelines and everything related to the implementation of this course. There's a lot of challenges, and in between all this we have the current situation which is not helping us in the exam department. Instead of all our attention going into implementing this new undergraduate curriculum structure, it is very unfortunate that these issues that could have been handled has led us to a situation where the very implementation of such an important policy of the Government of India is being compromised.